Hello viewers, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we will learn kinds of adverbs. Number 1 is Adverb of Manner. The adverb which is used for describing the manner of doing a work is called Adverb of Manner. Examples: He speaks loudly. He was running fastly. Here, loudly and fastly are adverbs of manner. Number 2 is adverb of place. The adverb which is used for describing the place of work is called adverb of place. Examples: She took the child outside. What are you doing there? Here, outside and there are adverbs of place. The third one is adverb of time. The adverb which is used for describing time and duration is called adverb of time. Examples: Always speak the truth. She goes to school daily. Always and daily are adverbs of time. The fourth one is adverb of certainty. The adverb which is used for describing the undoubted fact is called adverb of certainty. Examples: She is definitely getting late. He surely won't forget. Here, definitely and surely are adverbs of certainty. Fifth one is adverb of frequency. The adverb which answers the question how often. Examples: He is often late for work. We seldom meet. Here, often and seldom are adverbs of frequency. The sixth one is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverbs are words such as how, why, when, where that are used to ask a question about a particular aspect of a sentence such as time, place, etc. Examples: How was she sitting? Where was the car parked? How and where are examples of interrogative adverb. The seventh one is adverb of degree. The adverb which is used for describing the limit or degree of work is called adverb of degree. Examples: My work is almost finished. He helped me fully. Here, almost and fully are adverbs of degree. Thank you.